Hi, what is up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I just got back from Aldi. We wanted to check it out. It's just 2 miles from our house. It didn't disappoint. It was a little bit more limited than the standard grocery store, but it was super affordable. If you want to see what we got and some good items, then keep on watching. The star of the show, banana milk. I've been hearing so much about this. Looks super good. In here is filtered water, organic bananas, and then sunflower seeds. That's really interesting. It's not a dairy-based milk, obviously. It's banana-based. No added sugar, free of the top 8 allergens, vegan and paleo-friendly, USDA organic, of dairy, nuts, soy, gluten, and carrageenan. I don't know what that is. Okay, here it is. Oh, I don't know.
Smells like rotten milk.
I'm grossed out. Oh my god. How is there not cinnamon in it? Delicious. Oh my god. Wow. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it just says filtered water, organic bananas, organic sunflower seeds. So I'm assuming the sunflower seeds are what would make it cinnamony. I don't know. It tastes like cinnamon. I don't know. But it's amazing. And I definitely recommend getting it. So this is what it looks like. Super yummy. My husband and I, we just don't buy milk in our house, and that was so good. I could picture that being really good in like coffee because it's super thick and rich. Next, we got some zucchini spirals. These we could actually pick up from Trader Joe's too. It's a good pasta substitute, and I like that it's a little bit more firm and has a little bit of a crunch to it depending on how you cook it. So we got some eggs. Usually we get eggs from Costco. I haven't made a Costco trip yet. We decided to go to Aldi instead today, and these were literally only 79 cents. We like to buy organic cage-free eggs, but we'll definitely be picking up more when we go to Costco. Picked this up. The fresh peeled garlic. I like the minced from Costco that's in the water, but this is just a bit more fresh and tastes better in food in my opinion. Next item I got is like a knockoff version of Talkies. They're called taquitos. My husband here, we're gonna try them because we love Talkies. Oh my god. Oh my god, I hope they're good. We just had to. Ooh, they smell like them. Smell it. Okay. Really with the hand? Oh my god!
Oh my god!
They're better than Talkies, huh? It's so sour. Oh my god. Amazing. They're sour. Nala, do you want one? No. Hopefully I don't have Talkie powder on my face. Try to put the price to everything on the screen because I have the receipt here. That way you can really see how affordable it really is. We got some cherry tomatoes. These are good for salad, pasta. So I picked up some of these, a good staple to have. The next item I got are these little spaghetti squashes. I feel like Katy Perry in her music video. You know what I'm talking about? Well, these are great also for a pasta. Can you stop with the Talkies over there? Thank you. Put them away. It's like lower calorie, but I love the fresh flavor that spaghetti squash gives pasta. And you don't feel like, every time I eat pasta personally, it's super like heavy. I feel nasty afterwards, but this obviously you don't because it's a vegetable. So that's a plus. Next we got some bacon. Christian loves bacon, so I thought this would be a good thing obviously to eat in the morning. Super affordable as well. We have meat. We got 2 things of 93% lean ground beef. Only $4 for each one. So that's pretty amazing. Next item I have is this naan flatbread. This is really good with like Indian or Greek food, rice, lamb. Here we have some bruschetta and deli sliced salami, capicola.
Hey, I'm walking.
And hot calabria. Oh my, I don't know how to pronounce anything.
Where's the freaking gabagoo?
We got some meat for our cheese and cracker charcuterie board, or charcuterie, I don't know how to say it, but we love to have those meats. Picked up this good assortment of crackers. Their brand Favorites. It's kind of like their generic brand for like crackers and stuff. Like they have Favorites, Cheez-Its and stuff like that, but they're all affordable. We have light sour cream. This was literally only $1.25, which is incredible. Obviously their own Friendly Farms. I don't even know what that is, but it's their own brand. Sour cream's a staple in our household. This is their pretzel Slims. What's the brand? There's a brand that it looks just like this, but this was like obviously so much cheaper. I like to put these in like dips and hummus and stuff like that. So we finally found chamoy. This is perfect on the rim of like a drink. We got beer from Golden Road, which is like my favorite ever. Mango cart and watermelon cart. Tahine with some tahine. Oh my gosh, this is so yummy. So yummy on the rim with alcoholic beverages. Literally, we've been looking for this everywhere and we finally came across it. I almost wanted to get like 3 of them. We just got this hard kombucha, berry hibiscus. It's only 4.4% alcohol, but Christian wanted to pick it up. It looked yummy. So we want to get our probiotics and we want to get a little tipsy. So this is perfect. Christian's right now opening the hard kombucha because he wants to try it out on camera. I'm curious to see how it tastes, so we'll try it on camera for you. Oh, I want to try it. It's kind of, ooh, that smells so, it smells like a sour. Oh my god, that's amazing. Okay, now Christian's gonna try it. Again, it's amazing.
Oh my god.
It's so good. It's 4.4%. Like, that's gonna creep up on you. That would be so good with like chamoy on the rim and like some tahini, huh? Amazing. It tastes like sparkling water, except not water. It tastes
like a Capri Sun.
It's super light and it doesn't taste like alcohol. That's perfect for summer, huh? Oh my god. And I said it would be good for get your probiotics in, but get you a little tipsy, you know. Good mix, good mix. So kombuchas, this is our favorite brand of the healthy kombucha. This was literally, put it on the screen here. It was so affordable compared to other stores. We got the pomegranate one and like a berry one, I think. This is a good one. My favorite one is the pink lady, but they didn't have it. But this is super yummy. Here we have diet mango tea. It is like an equivalent to Snapple, and I'll put the price on the screen here. But this looks super good, and I'm assuming it tastes the same. So really excited to try these out. Here we have this tilapia fillet. Christian says tilapia isn't even real fish, but I love tilapia personally, and this was only just under $6 for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 5 fillets in here. We got this cured coffee. Christian wanted to try it. It's French roast, dark roast. We love dark coffee. We like the stronger the better. It's super affordable. I'll put the price up on the screen. 12 cups in here. It feels really light, but should be interesting to try these. Super affordable compared to like name brand coffees, so I hope it's good. We are big coffee fans, and I have the best coffee recipe to make the best iced coffee at home. So if you want to see that, let me know below because it is amazing. As far as more veggies, we got these big grapes. Oh my gosh, and then some romaine lettuce. Is that a vegetable? Yeah. And we have some potatoes. I always buy potatoes and they go bad. Alright you guys, that's everything we got from Aldi today. I hope you enjoyed. I am so happy that Aldi is 2 miles from our apartment. Like, it's gonna be our new like Trader Joe's Aldi, like super affordable. There's no reason to be going to Albertsons or Vons and spending 200 something a trip. Like, go to Aldi, go to Trader Joe's. Even if it's a little bit of a drive, it's worth it. It'll save you some money. I hope you've been enjoying these little haul series on my channel. I've been really enjoying filming them for you, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.